AI video generators are coming out more and more every day. But the problem is, most of them cost money. But don't worry, I searched a lot and found 3 really cool AI video generators that are 100% free. Yes, you can use them for free, and they don't add any watermark to your videos. So if you want to make AI videos for free, you're in the right place. Before we move forward, just take a look at these stunning videos I made using these free AI video generators. Wow, just look at this. The quality, the emotion, the lighting, everything looks perfect. Honestly, it feels like we're using paid tools. But guess what? These are completely free. Amazing, right? All right, enough teasing. Let's move to tool number 1. The first tool is Grok AI. It's super easy to find. Just go to Google, search for Grok AI, and click on the very first link. Once you open it, you'll land on the homepage. Now, all you need to do is sign up using your Google account or your email. Don't worry, it takes just a few seconds. After signing up, you'll be taken straight to the main dashboard, and this is where the fun begins. Before we start making our video, first, click on the settings button, and then select the behavior option. Now, make sure to disable the automatic video generation feature. Trust me, this is the secret sauce to make your video look exactly the way you want. Next, click on the Imagine option. Here, you can create both images and videos. If you just want some stunning pictures, this is perfect. But today, we're making a video, so let's select the video option. After that, pick your aspect ratio based on the style you want. Once that's done, simply paste your prompt into the box and hit generate. And here we go! Just look at this result. Wow, the visuals are so smooth and stunning. Everything looks beautiful. The characters? Amazing. The animations in motion? Perfect. And the best part, the voice is already added and it matches everything perfectly. Honestly, it feels like we're using a professional setup, but it's all free. With this tool, you can make videos exactly the way you want, and yes, you can even make longer videos too. Go ahead, try it yourself, you'll love it. All right, enough of this magic. Let's move on to tool number 2. Just head over to Google, type VheerAI, and click the first link you see. Boom, you're on the homepage. This one is called VheerAI, and trust me, it's a gem. Completely free, unlimited, and you can create almost anything you can imagine. Simply sign up using your Google account or your email. It only takes a few seconds, and no, they won't ask for your kidney. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where the fun starts. From here, you can create both images and videos in high quality. It's like having your own mini studio that never gets tired. Now let's do something really cool. We're gonna make a video from just an image. First, click on the image to video option, and then select Generate Image to Video. Next, upload your image, and then type your text in the prompt box describing exactly what you want to create. Want some extra flair? You can even add camera movement in the camera prompt box, totally optional, but it makes your video feel more alive. After that, do a few basic settings to make sure everything is just right. Once that's done, hit generate, sit back for a few seconds, and boom, your video will be ready. It's like turning a single picture into a mini movie. How cool is that? With this tool, you can literally create anything you want. Seriously, with VheerAI, you can make any type of video for free, and you can also generate high-quality images in any style you like. The process is super simple, and the results, well, they really speak for themselves. Go ahead, try it yourself, you'll love it. All right, let's move on to tool number 3 called meta.ai. To get started, just go to Google, search for meta.ai, and click the first link. You'll land on the homepage. Then, sign up using your email or Facebook account. Once that's done, you'll reach the main dashboard, ready to start creating your videos. Now the fun part, click the plus icon, then select Create. This is where the magic begins. Enter your image prompt and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have 4 brand new, stunning images. And the best part, no watermark at all. You can even download them if you want. To turn one of these images into a video, just click on any image and click Animate. It'll automatically transform into a beautiful video. And if you want more control for the video, you can choose Custom Animate. Just describe the animation in the prompt box, then hit Animate. Your video will be ready in moments. So guys, there you have it. This is how we created amazing AI videos using these free AI video generators. These 3 tools are powerful, fun, and 100% free right now. I highly recommend you try them and create any type of video or image in any style you can imagine. So go ahead and try these tools yourself. You'll be amazed at what you can create. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support us. And if you want to learn how to make long AI videos up to 30 minutes, just let us know in the comments. We'll make another full tutorial just for you. We'll keep bringing these amazing free AI tools straight to you so you can create without limits. Until next time, take care, and thanks a lot for watching.